From March 2024, I started to invest $1,000 of my own money each month into stocks that I think are undervalued. Each month, I'll be posting a video to share with you the exact stocks that I purchased and my personal reasons behind investing in those specific companies. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at one of the top tech companies with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. A few days ago, I moved $1,000 into my brokerage account and invested in 6 different companies. So without any further ado, let's go through all the different stocks that I invested in this month. Stock number 1, PayPal. PayPal is an online payment system that allows you to securely send and receive money around the world. You can link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to your PayPal account. You can use PayPal on your web browser, tablet, or with an app on your phone. I bought 2 shares of the PayPal stock at $60.92 with a total investment of $121.85. There are a couple of different reasons for why I decided to invest in PayPal. First, their annual revenues have been rising continuously each year. This is one of the most important indications for me about the company's current growth and future potential. Secondly, I've been using PayPal myself for over a decade for both my personal and business needs, and have been quite happy with them so far. I'm usually way more willing to invest in companies that I'm a customer of myself. And last but not least, the current price of the PayPal stock is way lower compared to its peak couple of years ago. This shows to me that there is still potential value to be explored. So these reasons led me to decide to invest in PayPal in March 2024. Stock number 2, Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and run online stores. It provides a range of tools and services for website building, product management, payment processing, and marketing, making it easy for anyone to start and grow an online business. Millions of people, small, medium, and large businesses, all use Shopify to run their online stores. I bought 2 shares of the Shopify stock at $77.19 with a total investment of $154.38. So my reason for investing in Shopify is a bit more personal. My family member was starting a new business, so I was helping them research the best platforms to start an online store. I spent hours comparing different platforms and options, and Shopify was the only one that stood out to me. All of the Shopify competitors are nowhere even close to offering the same tools or services to their customers. So this sort of monopoly is a good thing for any company, and made me want to become an investor in Shopify as well. Also, at the time of investing in Shopify, their stock price isn't at their highest point in history, and their revenues continue to go up each year. Stock number 3, Boeing. Boeing is one of the world's largest aerospace companies, known for designing, manufacturing, and selling commercial airplanes, defense products, and space technologies. It has a significant presence in both civilian and military aviation industries. Boeing also provides services such as aircraft leasing, maintenance, and logistics solutions, serving customers globally. I bought 1 share of the Boeing stock for $203.59. Despite some of the recent issues with Boeing, including missing airplanes and doors opening mid-flight, I still think that Boeing is a good company to own long term. The main reason for that is the duopoly in the commercial aircraft market. Duopoly means that only 2 companies are dominating the entire market, in this case Boeing and Airbus. Any new company that wants to enter this market needs to spend billions of dollars and years on research and development. As most countries and companies still rely on Boeing for their airplanes, I think it's a good sign for the company's continued revenue growth and makes it a high potential stock for the future. Also, historically, the price of the Boeing stock has been more than 2 times higher than its current price, which means that I'm not buying it at an all-time high. Stock number 4, Chewy. Chewy is an online retailer specializing in pet products, offering a wide range of items including food, toys, medications, and accessories for various animals. Chewy became very popular due to its convenient subscription services, fast delivery, and customer-focused approach. The company aims to provide pet owners with a hassle-free shopping experience and exceptional customer service. I bought 12 shares of the Chewy stock for $17.64 with a total investment of $211.68. Within the past 52 weeks, the highest reported price for a Chewy stock was around $42, and the lowest reported stock was around $15. This means that I got the Chewy stock at quite a good price. Chewy as a company has one of the best customer services that I've ever seen. Whenever you buy something from Chewy and want to return it, Chewy usually tells you to donate the item to your local pet shelter instead. While the company ends up losing a lot of money on the product while using this strategy, they also save a lot of money on return shipping and make themselves look extremely well in the eyes of their customers. This will almost certainly stay in the minds of customers forever and make Chewy as the next destination whenever customers want to buy something for their pets. Also, I think Chewy has a very strong advantage compared to large retailers because they are only focusing on the pet products. This provides Chewy with a competitive advantage because all the other large retailers have to spend money and time focusing across all the different other categories. Stock number 5, Apple. Apple is a multinational technology company known for designing, manufacturing, and selling consumer electronics, software, and services. Its iconic products include but are not limited to the iPhone, iPad, Mac computers, Apple Watch, AirPods, as well as software such as iOS and iTunes. The company recently created a new product called Apple Vision Pro, which is basically a computer that you can wear on your head. I bought one share of the Apple stock at $179.67. Apple is one of the safest companies to invest in. The company doesn't rely on a single product or a single service to make all their sales. They have numerous products and services that are all successful on their own. While many of their products and services are successful on their own, Apple was able to build an ecosystem for everything to be able to work seamlessly together as well. So despite the stock price being at one of its highest points at the time of my purchase, I still think that the company has a bright future and the stock price will continue to go up even more. Stock number 6, Disney. Disney is a global entertainment company renowned for its iconic films, theme parks, TV networks, and merchandise. It has created popular characters such as Mickey Mouse, Disney princesses, and Marvel superheroes. Disney operates theme parks around the world, produces blockbuster movies through its different studios, and owns popular TV networks like ABC and ESPN. I bought one share of the Disney stock at $111.47. The stock price used to be around $200 a couple of years ago, and Disney has definitely been going through some issues recently. There are a couple of different reasons for why the Disney stock has been going down, including less foot traffic in their theme parks, fewer Disney Plus subscribers, some movies that lost money, and an uncertainty about the direction of many of its portfolio companies. Despite these issues, I think I got the Disney stock at a good price, and the company definitely has opportunities to bounce back. Disney theme parks are still one of the dream destinations that children and families save money for to visit it at least once in their lifetime. ESPN Plus, which is also owned by Disney, is one of the top destinations for sports fans to watch their favorite players and teams and for the sports analysis. Lastly, all the different intellectual property that Disney owns continue to make revenues for the company each year, and will be funding all the upcoming interesting opportunities that the company has in mind. So to conclude, in the month of March 2024, I invested a total of $982.64 across 6 different companies. And this is how my investments are split across different sectors now. My goal will be to diversify these sectors as much as I can to make sure that I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. If you're also interested, I'll also be investing $1,000 separately each month into dividend stocks to build my dividend portfolio, and I'll walk you through the stocks that I selected for March in my next video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.